Yeah, wow, it got really crazy. I mean, I almost ran out of money. I was literally like on my last $100. I remember the day I was walking down the street and I decided that I needed to quit my current sales job. Like, it was commission only, they weren't delivering any of my sales. I needed a clean slate. So I called them up. I said, you know, this is, I gotta quit. This isn't gonna work anymore. And next thing I know, they're offering me $2,500 to stick around. I was blown away. I couldn't believe that. I didn't tell them this, but it was literally a lifesaver. 2,500 bucks isn't much in the Bay, but it definitely got me by. I'm still in sort of a situation, but man, it really pulled me out of a pickle. Everything's good, everything's good. Arnold moved in. I was going through a tough time, and you know, I needed help with the rent, and he needed a place, so he moved in. Yeah, he's a terrible roommate. Arnold! Arnold! Yeah, can you keep it down?
Shut up, I'm listening to Britney Spears.
Yes, my roommate, he's a big wimpy piece of shit. I live here now, so you can't do anything about it, because this is my house. I like to listen to the Britney Spears and the NSYNC. They're my favorite bands. Yes, I play them all night.
I've never lived with anyone quite as obnoxious as him.
Arnold! I like the Britney Spears song when she said, "Hit me, baby, one more time." I love it. Yes, yes. I think in next life, Arnold, I will be in the boy band. I'll be the most fantastic boy band they've ever seen. Yeah. Anyway, my roommate, yeah, he's always whining and bitching. I don't understand.